Hey guys, Coach Kimmi here, Notary Educators Training Team. I hope all is well and wishing you much success. Well, our Notary Educators Business Success Program is in full effect and we are giving out awards. It went down last night. I wanted to share some of the categories with you. Hopefully, it will inspire you to join us as you continue on your mission to become a notary. But guess what our people are doing? So, our first award went out to Miss Diamond Bray. She completed over 40 mystery shopping assignments. She also won Most Hustle. Get it, Diamond. So congratulations again to Miss Diamond Bray. If you are not in our mystery shopping program, you should be. There's a single course you can buy. Feel free to use coupon code WIN2025, WIN2025, or join the actual mentorship program where you have access to all of the courses, and you too can complete over 40 mystery shopping assignments like Miss Diamond. Okay, let's go. Next, we have Miss Leslie Moon. Yes, she completed 20 mystery shoppings also, but via telephone. The course has only been out in 2 months, and you can see what our members are doing. So if you too would like to participate and grow your business, be a part of the Notary Educators Mentorship Program, check it out at notaryeducators.com. But let's keep going. Our people are winning, guys. Next, we have Miss Lori Wilson. Lori completed over 20 estate/trust assignments. Okay, this is her working a full-time job, family responsibility. So even part-time, you can make a lot of money. This was just one of the things we wanted to highlight with Miss Lori. She also had an assignment where she had 35, did you hear me right? 35 appointments in one day at one facility. It wasn't a facility, actually. Let me take that back. It was a school setting that she was the hired notary to perform 35 notarizations. So this video clearly will not be edited, guys. This is raw. Okay, let's go. Next, we recognized Miss Bernice S. Corpiso, and she completed over 100 loan signings. Okay, over 100. And again, we are just so proud of her. Despite having multiple businesses and different things going on with her, she too is an excellent example of what a notary loan signing agent looks like, completing over 100 packages. So don't let nobody tell you ain't no work out there, nobody's getting loans, nothing's going on, the market is dead. No, it is happening. Okay, congratulations again, Miss Bernice. Next, we have Mr. Joseph Reed. What is he doing in the Notary Educators Program? He completed 388 field inspection assignments. That is correct. You heard me. 388 field inspection assignments. Okay. He actually did that within a 6-month period. So there is a field inspection course, a loan signing agent course in the program. And yes, you do want to check it out. Either you can purchase it separately using coupon code WIN2025, or actually join us in full-blown mentorship. You too can be like Mr. Joseph Reed. Again, shout out, Joseph. Next, we have Miss Angela Irvin. She came in as a runner-up in that category for field inspections. She's actually completed 70 and also 15 mystery shops. I just noticed we are missing a Y there. But she completed 15 mystery shops, 12 estate/trust assignments, and she is doing amazing also. So we had to recognize Miss Angela. Big shout out, Angela. We'll get that corrected and send it over to you. Again, if you are not seeing results like these in your notary business, you probably need to be in the Notary Educators Business Success Program. A full video will be coming out of the people actually hearing that they won the awards, but I just want to show you what's happening, okay? Next, we gave out a couple categories of those that help us in the mentorship program, encouraging their fellow notaries. So we gave Ms. Shakira Abdul-Wali most spirited and enthusiasm. She brings it every day with some type of motivation, just saying hello, making sure everybody is okay. And we truly appreciate that. Next, in that same category, we had Miss Lisa John Baptiste. She has actually been teaching with us a little bit. And she helps a lot in the chat. Again, our community is not just a dead community. It's a very active, involved community where we help each other. So we want to recognize those who actually really go above and beyond, making sure the notaries have answers to their questions in addition to us as the trainers, okay? So shout out Lisa. Next, we have Miss Jasmine Mitchell. Miss Jasmine Mitchell is also one that we gave for spirit and enthusiasm. She is killing the game in her own notary business, and she also takes time to help her fellow notaries, so we wanted to recognize her. We have Miss T.T. Shara, who also assists with our live sessions. When we have our live meetings, it's open participation, but some are shyer than others. Miss Tashara Williams has been nothing but gracious and also contributing to helping us in the group and helping everybody, each one teach one, okay? Shout out Miss T.T. Shara. Then we have Miss Donna Mack. We call her affectionately Donna McMullen. Donna has been with Notary Educators as a loyal member over 3 years, guys. Over 3 years. And she stays with us not because she don't know what she's doing. She just loves the family. So, and it helps her in her business. She said in the video, and you'll see it yourself coming soon, every week she learns something different. Every single week she learns something different. And I have to go back a little bit here because Miss Leslie actually was in 2 categories. She actually also got Miss Spirit and Enthusiasm because she helps with the chat too, making sure just the daily, like I said, motivation, making sure everybody is feeling comfortable and loved in the group. And then also Bernice was a double recipient too. The spirit and enthusiasm that she brings to the community and helping others is greatly appreciated. So as you all can see here, Notary Educators is doing things. Our members are doing great. We couldn't recognize everyone, but everyone is doing amazing. And we love our community. Again, you can enter our community for an entry point of $27 or $47 at the time of this recording. So check it out, all things notary, notaryeducators.com, okay? Until next time, this is Coach Kimmi. And as you can see here, guys, we are doing the thing. Words are cheap. Action is expensive. Look at this. Look at that. Go, people. Go. Until next time. Bye.